Now students, today we are going to start the new story or lesson, that is the magic porridge pot. So in the unit number 9 there is a lesson. We have seen the poem, that is Granny Granny please comb my hair. That poem we have already had taken. So we are going to see the new lesson, and then the name of the lesson is the magic porridge pot. Do you know what is magic? The fairy comes and in her hat there is a magic wand, जी जादूची छडी असते त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? मॅजिक वॅन्ड. आपण पाहिलेलं आहे in last sem. So magic means what? Something happens luckily, that is magic. So the magic porridge pot, the name of the lesson is the magic porridge pot. So let's read first lesson. Once there was a little girl named Tara. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. One day she went to a forest. There she met an old woman. The old woman gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you when you say, pot cook. It will stop making porridge when you say, stop pot stop." Tara was very happy. She ran to her mother and said, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry as I have got a magic pot." Tara said to the pot, "Cook pot cook." And the pot cooked porridge. Her mother was very happy and they both ate porridge. One day, when Tara had gone out, her mother felt hungry. She said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook." The pot started cooking porridge. After eating it, her mother said, "Do not cook pot." But the pot went on cooking. Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook anymore." But the pot did not stop. Mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. Soon there was porridge everywhere. The whole village saw it. They ran to eat the porridge. When Tara came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran back as fast as she could. She heard her mother shout, "Tara, the pot is cooking and it will not stop." Tara called out, "Stop pot, stop." And it stopped cooking porridge. And this story is taken from, it is folk tale. So here you can see a girl and this is an old woman. An old woman you can see here. And this is the girl, and this girl's name is Tara. And they are very poor. They don't have money. उनके पास क्या नहीं है? पैसे नहीं है. खाने के लिए भी उनके पास पैसे नहीं है. Tara and her mother. So what happened? One day in this story there was a girl, and that girl's name was Tara. What is this girl's name is Tara, and they were very poor. They did not have money to eat also, means उनके पास पैसे नहीं थे. So what happened? One day Tara went into the forest, in the jungle. कहाँ पर गई है अभी तारा? Into the forest, and there she met an old woman. Old woman, जो बूढ़ी होती है औरत. You can see in the picture also. She met an old woman, and this old woman gave her a pot. You can see here in the picture also. Here is an old woman, and she had given the pot to Tara. And this old woman said to Tara that this is the magic pot. जो चमत्कारिक होता है, जो मैजिक करता है. आपको पता होगा, मैजिक शो भी आपने देखे होंगे. मे बी फेरी, आपने फेरी तो देखी होगी, परी. तो वो क्या करती है? मैजिक करती है, चमत्कार होता है. सो दिस an old woman said that this is the magic pot and it will cook porridge when you need. आप जब भी आपको भूख लगेगी तो ये क्या बना कर देगा तुमको? Porridge. Do you know porridge? In last lesson we have seen the porridge means what? Kheer. In Marathi we call it kheer. So this old woman said to Tara that this is the magic pot and it will make porridge. You have to order a cook pot cook. When you want porridge, when you are hungry, you have to say cook pot cook. Then it will make you porridge. And when you want to stop it, or when you don't want porridge, stop it. So you have to say that stop pot stop. So this Tara took the pot and ran into the home, and to her mother said, "Mother, now this old woman had given me this pot. This pot is magic pot, and we will not longer be hungry." आता आपण उपाशी राहणार नाही, हम भूखे नहीं रहेंगे अभी. This Tara said to her mother. So what happened? See. And when she went to the home, she said all the story to her mother, and she ordered the pot that cook pot cook, and they ate the porridge. Porridge means kheer. They ate up all the porridge. Then one day what happened? Tara went out. Tara had gone somewhere to play with her friends maybe. So she had gone out, and her mother felt hungry. उसकी मम्मा को क्या हुआ था? मदर को भूख लगी थी. So she thought, I will make the porridge. And her mother ordered the pot that cook pot cook. And the pot started cooking the porridge. This pot started cooking the porridge. And when it was enough for her, she said, "Do not cook pot." Tara's mother said, "Do not cook pot." Then the pot was cooking the porridge. She was afraid what to do. This pot was not listening. So she did not give the proper order to the pot. That's why the pot was cooking porridge. क्यों pot cook कर रहा था porridge? क्योंकि तारा की मम्मा ने क्या किया था? मदर ने तारा के wrong order दिया था. उनको क्या order देना चाहिए था? Stop pot stop. But she was not giving that order. She said, अब मत porridge बनाओ. क्या हुआ है? अब this much is enough. So this was wrong order. So then this pot was cooking, and then after what happened? The porridge spilled on the floor. Porridge कहाँ पर गिर पड़ा? On the floor. फर्श पर भी गिर पड़ा. तो Tara's mother was afraid. After that, she went of the house. She came out from the house. So that porridge followed her. वो porridge था. उसने क्या किया? वो जो खीर थी वो तारा के मम्मी के पीछे ही चल पड़ी, क्योंकि उन्होंने बताया था ना कुक पॉट कुक. सो Then this porridge followed Tara's mother. Tara's mother she went out of the house. वो घर से बाहर निकली और ये जो porridge है उसने उसका पीछा किया. So the roads were also full of porridge, and from the village everyone came to see that porridge, and everyone came and ate the porridge. So after some time Tara came there, and Tara saw that the porridge is there and the roads are full of porridge. जो रोड थे वो भी जो porridge था उससे full थे. तो क्या करे, तारा की समझ में आया और तारा she went to the home and she went to near the pot, and this mother said, Tara, this porridge is not stopping, this is coming out, it will not stop now. But Tara shouted that, stop pot, stop, and this was the correct order to the magic pot, and then the pot stopped making the porridge. तभी क्या हुआ, तारा घर में आई और उसने उस पॉट को क्या ऑर्डर दिया, स्टॉप पॉट स्टॉप. ये करेक्ट ऑर्डर था, पर मम्मी गलत ऑर्डर दे रही थी. उसके वजह से जो पॉट था वो क्या कर नहीं रहा था, सुन नहीं रहा था, तो वो बना ही रहा था पोरेज. और तारा जब आई तो तारा ने क्या किया, करेक्ट ऑर्डर दिया, तो पोरेज क्या हुआ, बनना स्टॉप हो गया. इस तरह ये स्टोरी है द मैजिक पोरेज पॉट. सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस स्टोरी इज टेकन फ्रॉम फोक टेल, वहां से ली गई है. और यू कैन सी हियर न्यू वर्ड्स, दीज आर द न्यू वर्ड्स. मैजिक, cook, who cooks in your home, mother, so cooking, making food is cooking. Porridge means kheer. Spilling, spilling जो गिर गया, spilling, whole village. These are the, you can see here spilling this word from the pot, it is spilling on the floor. Spilling जो गिर रहा है, you can see in the picture. So these are the new words. This is your homework. What is your homework? Read the lesson twice. 2 times read करना है आपको lesson, and you have to write these new words in your notebook down there. Okay?